Hey Flutter devs, welcome to our comprehensive guide to mastering Flutter, the powerful framework for building natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this roadmap will guide you through every step of your Flutter journey. First, let's lay a solid foundation with Dart, Flutter's programming language. In this section, you'll learn the basics of Dart, including variables, data types, control flow, functions, and classes. You'll also dive into asynchronous programming and features essential for building responsive and efficient Flutter applications. Next, we'll explore Flutter's architecture, understand the fundamentals of widgets, layout, and UI building, and learn the difference between stateless and stateful widgets. Get familiar with Flutter's development workflow and tools, setting you up for success in your Flutter project. Now let's dive deep into building stunning user interfaces with Flutter. Master widgets like row, column, stack, and leverage material design and Cupertino widgets for a polished look and feel. Learn how to customize widgets and apply styling to create unique and beautiful interfaces. Plus, discover how to handle user input and gesture with ease. Managing app state is crucial for building robust Flutter applications. Understand different state management approaches, including set state and stateful widgets. Explore popular solutions like Provider, Block, and Qubit, empowering you to efficiently manage and update app state. Navigation and routing are essential for creating seamless user experiences. Learn how to navigate between screens, pass data, and implement name routes and navigation patterns. Plus, explore advanced topics like deep linking and URL handling for enhanced app functionality. Hold up! Before we jump back into the video, we've got something exciting to share with you. Join our community and be part of something amazing. Choose your role, programmer, designer, or whatever sparks your interests. Share your work, get feedback, and collaborate with fellow members. Plus, get ready to join our upcoming project. But first, hop over to our Discord server for all the action. Subscribe now and join the Discord for updates. Flutter makes networking and API integration a breeze. Discover how to make HTTP requests, handle JSON data, and implement authentication and authorization for secure communication with external services. Persisting data is crucial for building data-driven applications. Learn how to work with SQLite databases, key value stores like shared preferences, and implement caching for offline-first experiences. Animation breathes life into your Flutter application. Understand the principles of implicit and explicit animations and implement custom animations and transitions to delight your users. Explore animation libraries and package to take your UI to the next level. Testing and debugging are essential skills for every developer. Learn how to write unit tests and widget tests to ensure the reliability and stability of your Flutter apps. Discover powerful debugging tools and techniques to identify and fix issues quickly. Ready to take your Flutter skills to the next level? Explore advanced topics like platform channels for working with native code, implementing push notification, and optimizing Flutter apps for desktop, web, and embedded platforms. Finally, put your skills into practice with project-based learning. Build real-world projects to solidify your knowledge and contribute to open-source Flutter projects to collaborate with the vibrant Flutter community. Stay up to date with the latest Flutter updates and best practices to remain at the forefront of Flutter development. Congratulations, you have completed our comprehensive Flutter learning roadmap. With your newfound knowledge and skills, you're ready to tackle any Flutter project with confidence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Flutter tutorials and updates.